In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Temu without the app. If you prefer using your computer or browser instead of installing the mobile application, this tutorial will guide you through how to access Temu directly online and complete your shopping experience step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once your browser is ready, go to the official Temu.com website. This is the main platform where you can browse products, create an account, and place orders without needing to download the app. After the homepage loads, you will see a wide selection of products and categories available for browsing. At this point, you can either continue as a guest or sign in to your account. Signing in is recommended because it allows you to save items, track orders, and access personalized deals. Once you are inside the platform, use the search bar at the top of the page to look for specific products or browse through different categories. Temu offers a wide variety of items, so you can explore electronics, fashion, home essentials, and more directly from your browser. When you find a product you want to buy, click on it to open the product page. On this page, carefully review the product details, including description, price, variations, and customer reviews. This helps ensure you understand exactly what you are purchasing before adding it to your cart. After reviewing the product, select any available options such as size, color, or quantity depending on the item. Once you have made your selections, click the Add to Cart button to save the product for checkout. Next, proceed to your shopping cart. Here, you will see all the items you have added. Take a moment to double-check everything, including quantities, pricing, and any available discounts or coupons that may be applied automatically. When you're ready, continue to the checkout page. You will be asked to provide delivery details and choose a payment method. Enter your information carefully to ensure your order is processed correctly. Before finalizing your purchase, review your order summary one last time to confirm that all details are accurate. Once everything looks correct, complete the payment process to place your order successfully. After checkout, Temu will usually provide an order confirmation and tracking updates through your account or email so you can monitor your delivery status. And that is how you can shop on Temu easily using only your browser without needing to install the app. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.